Hamster Kombat is the biggest mining now in Telegram with over 200 million players, and there is other small projects that are now paying people real money. So in this particular video, I want to share with you that particular small project that you can use to make a good cash for yourself. So before we dive in, guys, I need you to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like. I'm really appreciate that. Subscribe to my channel if you are new, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are highly welcome back. So if you want to get an update about cryptocurrency and other ways to make money online, so don't forget to join my WhatsApp community. I'm gonna leave the link of that particular community in the description of this video. So without further ado, let's dive in. So guys, what I want to share with you in this particular video are 3 projects that are now paying people real money. They are paying you with ton asset, then you can swap it with USDT and sell it in any exchanger that you want. So I'm going to leave the link of that particular 3 airdrops in the description of this video. So click on it, it will take you to Telegram, and just you can start using them. So now what you are going to do is to open your Telegram application. So let me show you how you can just do it. So as you can see right here, I am in my Telegram application. So let me just show you how this thing works. As you can see, this is the first airdrops that I want to share with you guys. So the first one is Preton Drop. So this Preton Drop is an airdrop that will give you their tokens, and they will give you ton. If you accumulate 0.5 ton, you can withdraw it. So the minimum withdrawing of ton in this particular airdrop is 0.5 ton, which is equivalent to $3.50. So this is the first one. As you can see right here, I've just earned over 5,270 free ton. My ton balance is 2,820 ton. So if I accumulate 0.5 right here, so I can withdraw it. So the minimum of withdrawn of ton in this particular airdrop is 0.5 ton. So this is the best airdrop that I want to share with you in this particular video. So now I show you the first airdrop that you can use. I have already installed it, so that is why I've just shown this. So if you click the link of this particular airdrop in the description of this video, it will take you to your Telegram like this. Then you can just click on start. You can choose the language, and right here you can specify the number of dots on the top of this cup. Then you can just specify it. So this is how you will just look this airdrop in the Telegram application. So as you can see right here, you can just subscribe to their channel. There are other small tasks that you can do in this particular airdrop. So as you can see, those are the tasks that you can use to get their free token. As you can see right here, you can recommend, you can get free 300 Preton. Subscribe to their Twitter, you will get 100 Preton. Share the post with your friends, you can get 70 Preton. Retweet and like and get 50 Preton. Retweet and like and get 40 Preton. So subscribe to our meme channel, 30 Preton. So those are the tasks that you can use to accumulate free tokens of this particular airdrop right now. So as you can see right here, if you click any of that particular task, they will ask you to do it, and to just they will check it and they will give you that particular tokens. So right now I have just complete almost all my tasks in this particular airdrop, so that is why I am just showing you how this thing works. So after you have just completed that particular task, you have just use your referral link to share it with your family and friends. So as you can see right here, by the time that I starting this particular airdrop, I have not a referral. I am not refer any person. As you can see right here, number of referrals is 0, and then number of active referrals still is 0. So by the time that I have just started sharing it with my family and friends, so that is why here you see I have just accumulate over 0.280 ton, which is equivalent to $3.50, and I have just earned this particular free Preton tokens on this particular airdrop, which is 5,270 Preton. So this is how you can just start using this particular airdrop to make a good cash for yourself. So right now I want to share with you the second airdrop that you can use to make money before the listing date of this particular airdrop. If you are enjoying this video, please guys give it a thumbs up. I'm really appreciate that. So let's move on guys. As you can see guys, the second of our list is Wonton Bot. So if you click the link of this particular airdrop in the description, it will take you still in the Telegram bot right now like this. So this is how you can just start in this. They will ask you to solve this simple mathematics, and you can go choose a language, subscribe to their channel and check the subscription. Also almost this thing, how this thing is exactly how this thing works. So I have just starting this, I have just starting this particular airdrop right now. So that is why you see I have 0 balance of ton, and if you just register right now with my link in the description, they will give you 51 ton. So this is the second airdrop that I want to share with you in this particular video. So how do you make money with this? Is to share your referral link with your family and friends. You can just get some particular tokens for free. So now I want to go and show you the third one of our list. So as you can see right here, the third one and the last is this FastX. I really love this particular airdrop, because what you are going to do in this particular airdrop is just to click an icon that you can fuck a motor, and they will give you free tokens of this FastX. So let me show you how you can just do that. Scroll down to the bottom. As you can see right here, you can just fuck to earn more. Click on this. Also don't forget, I'm gonna leave the link of this particular airdrop in the description, so you can use my referral link in order to get a free token on this particular airdrop. So guys, I have already opened this FastX bot. So what you are going to do is very simple on this particular airdrop. As you can see right here, park in my garage. As you can see right here, park in my garage. So if you click it, it will load up. As you can see right here, so this 1 hour countdown will complete. As you can see, I have just accumulated 200,029 free tokens of FastX in this particular airdrop for free. So, and let me show you how tons I have just earned on this particular airdrop. As you can see right here, so let me show you, I have just earned over this 0.041 ton. So I'm just starting using this bot around yesterday. So I've just earned this particular tokens for free. So don't forget, I will also leave the link of all these 3 projects in the description of this video. So these 3 projects will give you free tokens and they will give you free money, which is ton. Then you can just swap that particular ton into real money and sell it in any exchanger that you want. So if you found this video very helpful and valuable, please give it a thumbs up. I'm really appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and the most important thing, turn on the bell notification because you do not miss any of my videos. So, and also don't forget to join my WhatsApp community to get updates about cryptocurrency and other ways to make money online. In that particular community, we are just sharing some ideas that will help you to start up and scale your business in the online space. So see you in my next video, guys. Thank you for watching.